Introducing the effective, breathable, adjustable, and comfortable Trueo Posture Corrector back brace that helps alleviate all types of back pain while offering enhanced shoulder support and improved body posture. Aside from better posture, it enhances breathing, body alignment, and reduces back, shoulder, neck, and upper back pain. Made up of lightweight, durable, high-quality neoprene, the Trueo Posture Corrector is easy and comfortable to wear. With its slim design, it is completely invisible under your clothes, allowing you to discreetly wear it under any clothes anytime. The Trueo Posture Corrector is adjustable, flexible, and comfortable, so that you get the perfect fit for your body. Our unisex Trueo Posture Corrector can be used anytime, anywhere, with total comfort. Make yourself look taller, slimmer, and more attractive. Improve your confidence and feel more powerful as a result of enhanced bodily alignment. Start wearing it for 20 to 30 minutes a day and feel the difference.